Hi everyone, in this video we are going to learn about merge sorted array. This is an easy problem statement. So you are going to given two integers array of num1 and num2 which are already sorted in non-decreasing order, and there are two integers m and n representing the number of elements in num1 and num2 respectively. So we'll have to merge num1 and num2 into a single array in a sorted non-descending order. So we are going to have num1 and it is a list which can have x amount of elements, but we are only going to take the first m elements from num1, and similarly num2 which is going to have, let's say, x2 elements in total, and here we are going to take the first n elements. Once we have got the first m and m element, then we will do one thing, which is we are going to add those values in num1. So it would be num1 plus num2, and we are going to combine this, and at the last we are going to sort this element and return num1. So one thing to understand in this problem statement is that we'll have to return num1 only without modifying or without changing the values. So in Python, in order for us to copy all the values in num1, so there is an slicing function, which is basically we are going to say whatever elements that num1 has, right? We are going to replace all the elements with the new array, or let's say new array with all the values. So we are going to use this function in our application. So now go to the coding part of it. Now let us try the code in Python to solve this problem. So let us first initialize the array. So what we are going to do, we are going to take num1 and we are going to replace the num1 all the values with num1. It would be nums once, just a spelling error, just check for that. And here we are going to take the first m elements plus nums2, and it would be the first n element. So we can type it 0, or this also is going to work. And now we are going to say sorted and close the bracket, and we are going to type in return nums1. And now if I click on run, it should work. Yes, it is showing an accepted. And if I click on submit, I am getting a submission and our code is quite efficient. So see you in the next video. Thank you.